What's going on, my fellow Warframe partners? I am T. Defton, the creator of the Glyph Code Grabber, and this is a tutorial on the Glyph Code Grabber. So, this is a tool that I created to make grabbing codes easier and also distributing them a lot easier for you and myself. I first created this for myself, but then it later on evolved into a full application, so I was like, why not distribute it to other people? So that's what I did. So today what I want to go over is the new algorithm of the Glyph Code Grabber, how it works and how you can add new codes, and version numbers, and that's basically it for this tutorial. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So as you can tell, these buttons are already highlighted. It won't be highlighted for you when you first get into the application, and that's for a reason. You're going to click on here, and it's going to say that you have 0 codes remaining for all of these, and that's normal. So what you're going to want to do in order to add new codes is you're going to want to click on this button right here that says Add Codes. When you add codes, it'll bring you to the last location that the Glyph Code Grabber was in. So in my case, it was inside of my YouTube stuff folder. And then you're going to want to double click on the text file that you have containing your codes. So I'm going to double click on this. It's going to ask me, it's going to double check that my, oh shoot, I closed it by accident. I'm surprised I didn't minimize actually. Anyway, it's going to ask me to confirm that the location that I chose is correct. In my case, the location is correct, so I'm going to click on yes. If this ever happens to you where the Glyph Code Grabber disappears, that's because the way that the Glyph Code Grabber works now is it actually goes into your tray when you minimize it. And that's for the Discord bot and stuff, so I'll get into that later. But if it ever just like disappears off of your taskbar, you're gonna want to just click on here and then double click on this icon. So yeah, so in order to add codes, as you can tell, it added codes. You might not be able to tell because the number is exactly the same, but the reason why it's the same is because I haven't given away any Xbox One codes recently. So there's that. If you want to clear your codes for whatever reason, actually, let me show you with PS4 as well, because it actually does give you a notification. So you're going to want to click on yes, and it gives you a notification right here telling you that the code list is updated. So if you want to clear your codes for whatever reason, like you feel like, there's duplicates in there, which there shouldn't be because you coded it in a certain way so that there wouldn't be any duplicates, or, you know, whatever reason you just want to completely update your codes list, that's fine. You're going to want to click on this button right here. It's going to ask you to confirm that you are sure you want to clear your codes, and you're going to want to click on yes. In my case, I'm going to click on no. Also, one other thing before I go back to the main menu, I want to include the applications info button right here. I will show you, it is this button right here. It is kind of difficult to see, but I did that on purpose. It is so that you will be able to, it's not something that you need right now, so it's kind of just there, hidden from view, just in case you need it for debugging purposes, or if I ask for it. So yeah. So as you can tell, right here we have the Glyph Code Grabber version number. So if you are having issues with your version, and I ask you, what version are you on? You're gonna want to give me this this information. So yeah, that's that, and beyond that, that is it for the settings menu. So let's go back to the home page. So what you're gonna want to do here is, just like you would do before, you would just click on grab a code for a specific platform. Bada bing, bada boom, copies your code to your clipboard. And if I bring up my my Discord, let's go into the Glyph Code Grabber Discord, and let's go into I don't care, ideas and feedback. You're gonna want to Control V. Bada bing, bada boom, there is your code. It is good to go, ready to go, and you could also obviously just paste it, whatever. It is copied onto your clipboard. Now, if I wanted to grab multiple codes, I would just raise this slider, and the same process, literally the exact same process. So I would just, raise this up and then grab PC codes, and then that would be that. So beyond that, that is it for the basic function of the Glyph Code Grabber and how you can add and grab new codes. Before I exit this video, I do want to mention that there is a donate button down here. If you guys really enjoy the Glyph Code Grabber and it's making your life a breeze. I would really appreciate if you would donate. It would honestly mean the world to me, because right now I'm in college, and even though I don't really have a lot of time to do this, I do spend a decent amount of time on this tool. And I do it because I love it. I love A, helping people, and B, I love coding just in general. So if you guys would be so inclined and you are able to, I would really love it if you would donate. All you have to do is click on that button right there. It'll take you to a PayPal link. Don't worry, it's secure. It's, everything is done through PayPal. It's on their end. And if you could donate any amount, $1, 1 cent. 1 cent is fine. Sorry, I banged on my mic. Or if you can make a monthly donation, honestly, that would be amazing. A monthly donation would drive me to keep on adding more and more and updating this thing to be like, a crazy application where you can literally do anything and everything that you would need as a Warframe partner. And that's what I plan on making this thing. So I may just call it a partner tool in the future, Warframe partner tool. But anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, go ahead and leave a like, I guess. Listen to me. I'm going back to my YouTube days. I'm still a YouTuber, so I don't know. But leave a like, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think. If you think I should change something, if you think that something's not very intuitive, please let me know down in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Or message me on Discord. Either works. I will see you guys in the next video, where I will be talking about the Discord bot and how you can actually integrate that onto your server. All right. Thanks, guys.